Hello, this is Dr. Tyler Hamel, Kingwood Chiropractor and nutritionist. Today talking about exactly what supplements should I take. So, as a chiropractor, we see a lot of people coming in here with aches and pains and inflammation. So I always recommend changing your nutrition or taking certain nutrition or nutritional supplements to help with pain and inflammation. So what are those supplements that you can take to help the body naturally deal with pain and inflammation? Number one, Ligaplex 1. This is, think of it as a multivitamin for healing and repair. So all these supplements are natural supplements, no synthetics. The idea is to give your body what it needs to help it heal and repair. So why do we need this? Well, for most people, we can't get enough of these nutrients in the diet to help us with healing and repairing. That's why today we see a lot of people with chronic aches and pains that just aren't going away. Yes, a big part of that is postural stress, but getting the right fuel in your system or in your body, which means nutrients, which means the right food, which means the right supplements, is something that is lacking that can be preventing the body from healing and repairing. So Ligaplex 1, number one. The second one we have is Tuna Omega. This is a fish oil, so we hear about fish oil, how it helps with many different things, but especially inflammation. You can take a lot of this as well, unlike maybe an NSAID, like an Advil or an ibuprofen, where it's pretty hard on people's stomachs and liver and kidney, and they just can't take it anymore. They want an alternative. Fish oil is a great alternative. This is a chewable, but you don't have to chew it. Some people have issues with burping up fish oil. So if it's a rancid fish oil, if it's not a good quality, you may be in that category. So you have to get the right quality. Standard Process MediHerb, that's all we use. We've been using it for 20 years. Whole food, natural supplements, so your body can take them in, recognize them, and use them like they should be used. All right, Glucosamine Synergy is the next one. When we talk about more joint aches and pains, chronic aches and pains for maybe athletes that have played sports for 10 years, 15 years, 30, 40 years, we want some joint support. There's a certain amount of wear and tear that happens with sports, with working out, with CrossFit, with going to the gym. So this definitely helps support the natural process or the cartilage, the inflammation, different things like that in the joints to help keep them healthy, right? Movement keeps joints healthy, but glucosamine is something that's been proven and shown to help support joint health. And the last one we have is turmeric. So we hear about turmeric all the time being probably one of the most common natural anti-inflammatories. Same with fish oil. You can take turmeric and you can take a lot of it because it's not going to do anything to your stomach or your kidney or your liver. And taking fish oil and turmeric at the same time is a bit more of a synergistic effect, meaning that they work better together. So remember that. Again, Dr. Tyler Hamel, chiropractor and nutritionist. If you have any questions about supplements, what you should take, or maybe what you're taking, if it's working, what you should take for pain and inflammation, how much you should take, put it in the chat box below. If you learned something from this video about natural supplements that you could take to help the body with dealing with pains and inflammation, things like that, please like it, please share it. There's lots of folks out there that are dealing with aches and pains, maybe taking certain supplements that isn't working. Maybe they're tired of just taking medicine because it isn't working, or they're not feeling well while they're taking it. And that's the case with a lot of people these days. So Dr. Tyler Hamel, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.